Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the canvas and activating Procreate's perspective guide so your lines lock to vanishing points. First, create the canvas at the size you need, then open Actions, go to Canvas, toggle Drawing Guide, and tap Edit Drawing Guide. Choose Perspective, then pick 1, 2, or 3 points depending on scene complexity. Once chosen, drag the vanishing points to rough positions on screen. This sets the visual rules. Make sure to save the guide preset before you begin drawing so you can reuse it quickly. Now place vanishing points precisely and start construction lines. Create layers for sketching, construction, and finished ink. Keep the guide layer locked. Drag each vanishing point to where the horizon requires. You can push points off canvas for dramatic distortion or keep them inside for subtlety. Use a low opacity pencil to sketch main planes, then use quick line and edit shape to snap straight edges perfectly to the guide. Once done, trace final edges on an ink layer. This keeps geometry clean and editable as you refine proportions and depth. Finish by refining forms, adding details, and shading to cell depth. First, hide the drawing guide to evaluate composition. This shows whether proportions read correctly. Use clipping masks for shadows and highlights so they obey plane edges and maintain a consistent light direction relative to your vanishing points. If something looks skewed, don't overwork it. Reshow the guide, nudge vanishing points slightly, or recreate a new one 2 or 3-point guide and realign major edges. That one adjustment usually fixes most perspective issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.